CV industry transforms towards sustainability, aiming for zero emissions. Therefore, electrification is absolutely the key. Electrified vehicles offer lots of promising opportunities, but also some challenges. Lots of trucks are being equipped with work applications like hook loaders, skip loaders or loader cranes, for instance. In this case, not only the truck manufacturer or the end customer must deal with these upcoming challenges regarding electromobility, also the bodybuilders are affected. ZF eWorX is a fully electrified power take-off system developed as a standardized, modular and intelligent plug-and-work one-box solution to power work applications like hook loaders, garbage collectors or loader cranes on electric commercial vehicles. The system can be easily integrated into the vehicle architecture so that the well-known mechanical interfaces and the smart bidirectional CAN communication between the vehicle and the body is given. In comparison to a classic PTO, the eWorX system has a lot of advantages. The system can be operated with zero local CO2 emissions. High operating efficiency helps to minimize energy consumption while working. The system can reduce the noise emission dramatically, so we can also think about to shift working hours to the early morning, for example. And it offers the possibility to add intelligent functionalities like assistant working or smart state of charge integration. ZF is the best partner for electrified power take-off solutions because we rely on ZF-proven components for power electronics, control units and even software so that the customer benefits from the ZF automotive experience in that field. Our systems are developed in close cooperation with bodybuilders and truck manufacturers, and they are designed based on the latest automotive standards to fulfill all requirements such as functional safety, for instance.